Hi, I'm Mark Willis, Applied Engineer at Specialty Products, and welcome to Understanding xAxis Sealed Flex Joints. This video is for anyone trying to understand or use SPC's xAxis joint. We'll begin with an overview and explain its benefits and uses. You'll see how the xAxis joint is used in some of our popular control arms. Then we'll show you how to build your own control arm or track bar using our threaded or welded receivers. So let's get started on understanding xAxis sealed flex joints.
What is an xAxis joint? Commonly known in the automotive industry as a cross-axis joint, these joints use the same construction as a ball joint, but mount using a through bolt instead of a tapered stud. They are constructed to replace many original equipment rubber bushings, offering reduced deflection and compliance versus rubber or poly bushings. Why are SPC xAxis joints superior? First, the SPC joint is booted to retain grease and eliminate contamination from dirt, debris, and moisture. This increases longevity versus spherical bearings or poly bushings. Here is a comparison between an xAxis joint and a non-protected competitor joint. Second, the xAxis sealed flex joint incorporates a highly polished electroless nickel finish on the ball for both durability and corrosion resistance. The retaining rings are zinc-plated to keep the boot secure throughout the range of travel. Third, the xAxis sealed flex joint gives increased angularity versus rubber and poly bushings, allowing up to 45 degrees total angularity where high misalignment is required, a must for modified suspensions. SPC xAxis joints are engineered to be direct fit for popular off-road and street applications. Here are a few examples of SPC control arms that use xAxis joints: Jeep JK control arms, Infiniti front upper control arms, Honda Civic rear adjustable control arm. These arms are used by racers and enthusiasts who want adjustability, long service life, and minimum compliance for best performance and handling. Here are some examples of a builder joint using threaded and welded style receivers to install xAxis joints into this Ford Bronco rock crawler. Notice the angle of the rear control arms with relation to the frame brackets. This could not be accomplished with rubber bushings. The high angularity of the xAxis joint makes the modification straightforward and easy. Using the threaded receivers allow adjustment of the thrust angle by adjusting the length of the rear control arms. The track bar is fixed length, so welded receivers are a great option here. We are constantly adding additional sizes, so check our website for new applications, dimensions, and CAD package models at www.specprod.com/builderseries. Thank you for watching.